All right, real quick, Samantha, f of 0. 2. John, inverse of f of 0. 1. Will, f of negative 2. 5. Inverse of f of negative 2. Catherine. Yes, it is undefined. Trevor, inverse of f of negative 3. 2. Inverse of f of x equals negative 3. Robert.
Is that an x or undefined?
It is undefined. Because this is the same thing as saying, what is f of negative 3? Well, that's not given in your table, so this is undefined. And last but not least, Quentin, inverse of f of x equals 3. Negative 4. Awesome. Good job, guys. All right, finishing up here. Kind of going back to what we started with to introduce inverses. If we are given function notation, you will be asked to give the meaning, like we did in that original example, of the inverse. So what I want you to start off doing is literally write in function notation the inverse. So you're just switching your input and output. And I think by doing that, it's going to help you guys see when this input happens, that output happens, basically. So if the original function is population in millions in year t, then this is the year t for a population p. Same thing on the next one. Switch your input and output. Write that in function notation. Then you can really see, okay, when this input happens, then that output. So this gives, again, the year t for what? Okay, so for what output? For the number of inches of snow. Good. Okay, last little thing here, and this again is something that you saw just a smidgen in Algebra 2, and that's the relationship between composition and inverses. So here's what I want you guys to do first. First, I want you to find the formula for the inverse of function f. So do that now on your own. Find the inverse algebraically.